Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to assign a course to someone using the LinkedIn Learning app. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn Learning app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the search bar at the top and type the course name you want to assign. Now, on the course page, look for the share icon or something, the three dots at the top right corner. Tap three dots at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, choose Assign. If you don't see that option, you might need to use the web version instead. Assigning is usually available for LinkedIn Learning, admins or team leads. You can now add people by typing their name or email address. Want to add a due date? Tap the calendar icon and choose deadline. Then, if everything looks good, hit assign at the bottom, and that's it. Your selected learners will get a notification and email to take the course. So that's how you assign a course in LinkedIn Learning mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.